Hello everybody, welcome back to the AMC. It's been a while since I've uploaded, been 5 days since the Backtrack Championship that Mercury Swirl won. Today is the start of the Season Championship Series. It's going to be very complicated this year, but we're going to get into the schedule and how it's going to work. But first off, let's do the dice roll, shall we? Alright, here we go. Here's the dice roll for the Season Championship Series. We get a 4, so it's going to be Balance Jump, Timed Race, and then Maze Race. So let's go over what exactly is going to happen. So we got the bracket series right here. First up is the balance jump bracket. We have our 3 through 6 seeds in this. This is the schedule for the balance jump bracket, which is going to be our first bracket because of our dice roll that we just did. Number 3, Mercury Swirl versus number 6, Desert Island, and number 4, Colorful Rock versus number 5, Stream of Lava and Water. Here today on August the 7th, and then the winners of those two games will face in the balance jump bracket finals on August the 8th, which is tomorrow. And whoever wins that game will win the balance jump bracket. And then we'll move on to the timed race bracket. So the bracket is backwards in the timed race bracket because, you know, going second gives you the advantage in the timed race. So basically same thing. Timed race bracket semifinals will be on August the 9th. And then August the 10th is when the timed race bracket finals will be. And then the maze race bracket. Both of the maze race bracket semifinals, August 11th. And then the finals, August 12th. So how that's going to work is that the top 2 marbles from this bracket series, the 3 through 6 seeds, will play in a back-to-track formatted game to try and qualify for the AMC semifinals. Tiebreakers are how many brackets each marble have won. Now, there could be all 3 of those marbles that win 1 bracket each. So if that were to happen, then we will determine how many games that they have won in the bracket series. And if we cannot break a tie there, then we're just going to determine it by the marble's seed number. So the lower the seed, then the lower the chance you have in advancing to the elimination game. But anyway, let's move over to the top 2 series, which is our top 2 marbles, Swag, Green Cricket, and Blue Wombat. They'll play in a best-of-3 series. First game will be the balance jump. The order is going to be the same for them, which will be on August the 10th. Or no, excuse me, the August the 8th is when the balance jump game will be, and then the timed race August the 10th. And then, if necessary, the maze race game will be on August the 12th. So it's just like any other best-of-3 series, whoever wins 2 games. So if one marble ends up winning the balance jump and timed race game, then we won't need to play the maze race game. The winner of this series will be qualified for the AMC Championship game on August 16th. Let's take a look at our final 3 games. So our first game, the elimination game between the top 2 marbles from the bracket series 3 through 6 seeds, August 14th. And then August 15th, the AMC semifinals game, which is just going to be 1 game. All these are back-to-track formatted games. So the winner of that elimination game will play against the loser of the top 2 series, either Swag, Green Cricket, or Blue Wombat, whoever loses that. And then the winner of that game will face the winner of that Swag, Green Cricket versus Blue Wombat series in the AMC Championship game. So the top 2 marbles do have a pretty big advantage over the bottom 4 marbles in this SCS, but that's just why I said it's just important to get one of the top-ranked marbles, and we want that to be a big deal, but the whole top 6 has a chance. But anyway, we will begin our balance jump bracket today. Season Championship Series starting today, and it's going to be incredible. But anyway, thank you very much for watching this. I will see y'all later for the Season Championship Series to begin.